Looking to make some extra cash from the comfort of your home? You're in luck. In today's digital age, there are numerous websites that offer opportunities for easy work and online earnings. Whether you're interested in taking surveys, participating in research studies, or providing feedback on products, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the details of each website. Number 1, Testable Minds. Testable Minds provides individuals with the opportunity to participate in behavioral and psychological research studies. These studies often involve completing tasks or answering questions related to various topics. Users can earn money for their participation, contributing to academic research while making some extra income. While the earnings are capped at around $50 a month, it's a legitimate and consistent way to make money online. Number 2, CrowdTap. CrowdTap offers a combination of paid surveys and product testing opportunities. Users can share their opinions on brands and products, providing valuable feedback to companies. With reported earnings reaching hundreds of dollars a month, CrowdTap is a reliable option for those looking to earn money online. Additionally, the platform often rewards users with gift cards or free products for their participation. Number 3, Amazon's Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace where users can complete various tasks for businesses and individuals. These tasks, known as HITs, human intelligence tasks, range from data entry to content moderation. While some tasks offer higher payouts than others, consistent effort can lead to a decent income. Turk offers flexibility in terms of task selection and completion time, making it suitable for those looking for flexible work opportunities. Number 4, Prolific. Prolific connects researchers with participants for academic surveys and studies. Users are compensated for their time and contributions, with earnings averaging between $6 to $12 per hour. The platform is popular among researchers for its high-quality data and among participants for its fair compensation. While it won't replace a full-time job, it's a convenient way to earn extra income without a significant time commitment. Number 5, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an online rewards platform that offers various ways to earn money, including taking surveys, shopping online, playing games, and watching videos. Users earn points, Swagbucks, for completing these activities, which can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. With over $565 million paid out to date, Swagbucks is a popular choice for earning extra cash online. It's a fun and interactive way to make money from everyday activities. Number 6, Survey Savvy. Survey Savvy provides users with paid survey opportunities to earn money in their spare time. Users receive invitations to participate in surveys based on their demographics and interests. While earnings may vary depending on the length and complexity of the surveys, it's a straightforward way to make money without leaving home. Survey Savvy is known for its reliable payouts and user-friendly interface, making it a trusted option among survey enthusiasts. Number 7, BrandB. BrandB incentivizes users to complete surveys and share device usage data. By providing feedback on brands and products, users can earn rewards such as gift cards or cashback rewards. While payouts may be relatively low compared to other platforms, BrandB offers a hassle-free way to earn some extra cash with minimal effort. It's a legitimate option for those looking to monetize their opinions and data. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll explore another 8 websites that offer even more ways to make money from the comfort of your home. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.